Alright, so the United States inflation rate is at its all-time high in over 40 years. And because of this, assets are starting to crash even more in price, but Bitcoin does the opposite and starts going up in price. So does this mean that this is the beginning of the bull run for the crypto markets? Well, let's take a look at it in this episode of Market Review. Alright, so taking a look at Bitcoin, so like I said, Bitcoin started going up in price even though other assets were falling down in price. So when the news came out for the United States inflation rate, Bitcoin was sitting at around $18,000 when that happened. And then as soon as the news dropped, Bitcoin shot up in price to like $20,000 that same day. And then it has been going up ever since then. It's good to acknowledge that yes, Bitcoin might start regaining strength, but right now there is nothing that suggests that we will start going up in price from here. Now, with that being said, you guys can see, if you're looking at my screen, you can see that I drew a channel right here. This is called a channel. All right, so we have this line running on top of this price here, and then we have another line running in the bottom. Basically, what a channel means is that price is going through literally a channel, right? And it keeps oscillating between that channel for a while before it breaks out to the top side or breaks down to the bottom side. Now, I haven't mentioned about this to you guys before. We've only just been dealing with support and resistance because I want to keep it simple for you guys. But I am currently seeing something at play in the Bitcoin market that could suggest that we could see price fall, so we could see price go even lower or go to even lower prices. All right, so let me quickly explain to you guys what I drew this channel for in context of this price action. So basically, the reason why I drew this is because we seem to be creating a pattern that we call the bear flag. All right, so we have bull flag and then we have bear flag. When a bear flag starts to occur, price starts to go up a little bit in price and then shoot right down in price again. Now, this exact scenario has happened not so long in Bitcoin's price. All right, now I'm going to quickly show you guys what I mean by that this exact thing has played out, so that you see what so that you know that what I'm saying is definitely not a lie. Anyways, back in May, we had this exact scenario play out, all right, where we had Bitcoin going through a channel and then it broke the price downwards. So this exactly was another bear flag again. So it kind of fools people into thinking that yes, the Bitcoin market is starting to go up, and then before you know it, boom, the price comes down in price. So we can see that that's exactly what is starting to play out here. So if this strategy or if this pattern plays out, we could see exactly what happened here play out here as well. So we could see Bitcoin fall down towards a much lower price of $12,000 or even $10,000. Remember guys, this is not something that you should be scared about or worried about. I'm just showing you guys that this is something that is going to happen, or this is something that is probably going to happen. It doesn't mean that it's going to happen. It only becomes true after it has happened. All right, it doesn't necessarily mean that's exactly what's going to happen here. I'm just showing you guys technical analysis and telling you guys that this is what I see on the chart. So just be aware of that scenario happening, that we could see Bitcoin fall to much lower prices. So be ready to buy the dip when necessary, because we could see Bitcoin head towards the price of $12,000. All right, so let's take a look at Ethereum. Now for Ethereum, nothing much is really going on with it. My last theory still remains the same. If you're able to buy at $1,000 is still a good spot to buy the dip for Ethereum. We got to that spot and then Ethereum started pushing up in price. $1,400 still remains a likely spot to take some profit for Ethereum. So if you see Bitcoin visiting $22,000 to $23,000, we most likely will see Ethereum get to $1,400. So if you're able to buy the dip for Ethereum at $1,000 or below $1,000, $1,400 still remains a good spot for you to take some profit. Nothing much has really changed on that. So if anything changes, obviously I'll come back and update this price action. All right, so let's take a look at Cardano. Now Cardano, this is one that has also been holding very strong as well. Cardano has not been able to break the 40-cent barrier in a very long time. That's like since May. All right, since May that Bitcoin was at $27,000, Cardano has not been able to break the 40 cents area, which shows you that there are a lot of people that are buying these cryptocurrencies. So the thesis still remains the same. Cardano, 40 cents is still a good spot to buy some Cardano, some ADA. All right, and if you're able to buy some Cardano at 40 cents, you should consider taking some profit at 60 cents in the near term. But like I said, with what is developing on the Bitcoin chart right now, we could see Cardano easily break through this 40 cents and head towards 30 cents. So keep that in mind. That is something that is very possible. Remember guys, I don't say these things to scare you. I just tell you guys this to basically show you that there are more opportunities to be able to buy these dips, because trust me guys, in a few years from now, you'll be wishing, especially if you have the opportunity to do so right now, you'll be wishing that you bought these assets at these low prices. You don't buy a cryptocurrency, an asset that is valuable to you, be it stocks, foreign exchange, or even the cryptocurrency market, when they are high. You buy them during times like this. I know it's counterintuitive, but your body is telling you not to do it, but trust me, this is the right time to do it. And of course, you should do this with money that you're willing to spare. All right, and this is not financial advice from me as well. This is something that I do and I will do. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's right for you. All right, so don't take me saying all these things as financial advice. If you know that this is not your thing, that is fine. You can get out of this market now, especially being that I've already said it, that there's a chance that we could see Bitcoin fall even to lower prices. So if you're one of those people that are worried, yeah, you can consider getting out of the market now. It's your choice. All right, so with that being said, we could see Cardano fall towards 30 cents, and I am waiting to catch the dip for that. So if you're able to set some buy limit at 40 cents, that is good. You should still consider setting some buy limit as well at 30 cents as well. Dogecoin has remained in the top 10 cryptocurrencies for a very long time. It shows you that even though Dogecoin is a meme coin, it is still a cryptocurrency. It's still like the cryptocurrency that people choose as their favorite meme coin. All right, it's still a default cryptocurrency that people just hold. So if you're looking to buy some Dogecoin at even lower prices, trust me, Dogecoin at 5 cents is a good spot to buy it, and you'll be good to go. And remember, like I said, this is a meme coin. You don't need to go all out on it, but it is showing clearly that since it's still holding in the top 10, Dogecoin has always just been a number 10 cryptocurrency. All right, so clearly for it to still be on the top 10, it means that people are buying it. So which means that the prospects for it is very high. When the bull market resumes and then everything starts going up in price, you'll be very glad that you bought some Dogecoin. All right, so definitely do that. And now let's take a look at some XRP. So XRP, nothing much has really gone on with it. XRP has dropped all the way from like $3, and currently we are like in 33 cents. All right, so if you're looking to buy the dip for XRP, you can consider doing so at present prices. It's still a good spot for you to buy the dip for XRP. Or if we see Bitcoin drop even lower, we could see XRP drop to 22 cents. So if you want to buy XRP for even cheaper prices, consider doing so at 22 cents. And then let's talk about Binance Coin. So BNB has been holding its ground very well as well. Right now we are currently at resistance of $243, so which means that we could see BNB head lower, but it's all still dependent on what Bitcoin does. But if you buy BNB even at present prices, you're still good to go. But an even better spot to buy BNB will be at the $200 price. All right, so nothing much to say for BNB, but if you're looking to buy the dip for BNB, consider doing so at $200. All right, so you guys know how I feel about this cryptocurrency, Solana, but it's still on the top 10 cryptocurrencies. And the last time that I made this video, I said that I would buy it at a lower price of $23, and that thesis from me still remains the same. I personally will buy Solana at $23 because, you know, it's just not a great cryptocurrency in my opinion, and I don't want to go over that dead horse. I don't want to beat that dead horse again. With what is happening in the cryptocurrency market right now, and when I mean cryptocurrency, I mean Bitcoin. we could see Solana easily get down to that price and even fall further from that price. All right, so we should keep that in mind, that yeah, just because our target hasn't been hit yet of $23 doesn't mean it won't be hit. That is all I have to say for this cryptocurrency. Now, before we take a look at the next cryptocurrency we're going to be taking a look at is Polygon. I wanted us to take a look at this article so that I will be able to give a context of, or for the reason why the price action is the way it is. All right, so Polygon was recently selected to participate in Disney's 2022 Accelerator program. Basically, to brief this whole entire article down, it just means that Polygon, the blockchain for Polygon, has been selected to be Disney's major NFT platform. Now that is a big deal because Disney is a big deal. All right, so this means that Disney will most likely be building their NFTs on the Matic or the Polygon blockchain. So because of this news, Polygon has gone up by like 100% in a bear market. I'm going to have this link to this article in the description below so you guys can check it out. But let's take a look at the price action for the token. All right, so taking a look at Polygon here. So this is Matic. All right, so if you bought the dip for Matic at 33 cents, Matic has gone up by like 100% at this point. So Matic is currently sitting at almost 70 cents. So which means that you've basically doubled your money if you were able to buy the dip for Polygon at lower prices. All right, so that is why we have Polygon having gone up by like 100%. But with that being said, the entire cryptocurrency market is still in a bear market. So which means that even though we see Polygon having gone up by this much in price, it doesn't mean that it's going to continue going up. Yes, this is a good news for Polygon and it's probably going to help them and help its price in a very long time, or for the long term. But for the near term, because of the entire cryptocurrency market is still down and even the entire financial market in the world are still down, this news is definitely going to bring the price back down for Polygon. So with that being said, Polygon, if you would like to buy the dip for Polygon, I will still insist, or I will still suggest that 33 cents is still a good spot to buy the dip for Polygon. But however, you could still buy some even at present prices in case if it continues to go higher towards $1. All right, so if Polygon continues to go towards $1, that will be a good spot for you to take some profits. So if you would like to buy some, consider buying some maybe at present prices, but buy a majority still at lower prices of like 33 cents. All right, so that is basically just my own opinion about Polygon, and I'm giving you that context because we are still in a bear market. So even though people are rushing to buy the cryptocurrency right now, trust me, the bear market will persist, and then guess what will happen? The price for this token will crash even further. All right, so if you guys are interested in a cryptocurrency that you'd like me to take a look at, just let me know in the comment section down below. And for more videos like this, please click on the subscribe button below and click on the notification bell right next to it. I release new videos every week and you'll be the first to be notified when that happens. And if you enjoyed this video, let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys next week. Cheers.